here we go. So this one I am using a Creative Scrappers number 19 sketch. For this layout. My sister was doing her daughter's hair, and her daughter was still somewhat asleep. Oops. So I'm just going to ink the edges. All right. Sorry. Sometimes I forget I'm recording. Okay, but anyway, the background is Basso cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit, and that triangle pattern is from Pink Paisley Pick Me Up. It's number 6. Then I have that aqua polka dot layer from Pink Paisley BU Sincere, and the yellow layer is from Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful Mood Ring. And then that floral strip is from a scrap left over from the February kit. I'm just going to get those all adhered. And then my photos. Which my photos go straight to the page. There's no I just have one picture. I was thinking I had 2. Okay. So I have that Project Life card, which comes from the Sunshine Core Kit. I saw the Midnight in the Sunshine Core Kit at Tuesday Morning for $10 versus the 20 or 29. Forget what they go for. But at any rate, it was way cheaper than Joann's or Michael's. So I purchased them because I couldn't remember. I thought I had the Midnight kit, but I knew I did not have the Sunshine, but I didn't think I had the Sunshine kit, which I think I ended up owning both of those. So I'm like, that's okay. I'll use what I purchased from Tuesday Morning, because I purchased all these core kits and then I hoard them. I don't want to use them. I'm like, hello, I need to use them. So I'm going to use this Remember That One Time as part of the beginning of my title. Then I have the die cuts, which are Maggie Holmes Flourish. I use a few stickers also from the Maggie Holmes. And these are all my key homes. And then I ended up not putting my paper, my layer should have gone down slightly. Everything ended up a little more than what I had originally planned. Okay, so my recording was way further than my video that I'm using to record. Good thing I stopped it to check it. It does that from time to time, but at any rate, the words you and hair are American Crafts Happy Thickers. The word done is the Hip Kit Club alphabet stickers. Your and while, actually the rest of them are all, let me see, everything, see the done, your, while, got, and sleeping are all Hip Kit Club alphabet exclusive alphabet stickers that come in each kit. So which kits they came from, I'm not sure because I didn't write that down on the packaging. So when I'm done with the kit, but I'm not done with the letter stickers, I just stick them in a large bag. And then when I need stickers for titles, that's where I pull from. But anyway. So the you and the hair are the only ones that are from American Crafts Happy Thickers. Actually, the hair isn't even. Oh, you. Oh, yeah, okay. Never mind. I'm with myself now. I didn't see the U up there on the black for a second. So anyway, that completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.